Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, guys, so I know for a very long time now, not really a very long time, for quite a while, I've not been like posting on YouTube as usual, though I've been posting YouTube shorts, but longer form of videos like these that I'm about to do, I've not posted for like a while. That's because a lot of things that has been like happening in my life, and yeah, I've just been busy with things that I'm not going to say in this video. Yeah, so in this video I'm going to talk about this. Oh, sorry, it's even sound good. Yeah, this, I'm sure obviously you can see it is a give me a sec here. It's a earpiece that is not connected to a phone, but it's still an earpiece. So I'm going to talk about this earpiece. So if you've been following my channel, I made a video, like I did several videos talking about this particular earpiece. No, initially I was talking about earpiece generally until I got this particular earpiece, which I even made an unboxing video about this earpiece. So I'm going to like pin most of the videos that I did about this earpiece down in the description, so you really want to check it out. So what I said about this earpiece is I got it because of one reason, which was because of audio, like my sound quality. So I've been making YouTube videos for a very long time now. I've been doing all kinds of video, long form, short form, this form, that form. So I realized that my audios has been really bad, like really bad. Like I'm not wearing a microphone. I don't have a microphone, like just my phone and me like right now. So sometimes when I go back to watch my videos, I realize that the audios aren't really well. So until I saw like some content creators like that are just starting, they use earpiece as a microphone. So what they just do is they plug it, and then they use this part here as the microphone. So they are like doing something. So I've actually like done a video. I'm doing something like that. Don't worry, I'm going to pin out the video so you guys don't want to check it out. So yeah, they'll do something like this, and they'll be talking. I did it also, but I realized that I don't know, it didn't work well for me. This earpiece is a fake. It's a fake earpiece. I bought it 1,000 something. Imagine buying this fine earpiece for 1,000 something. So it's obviously fake, and I know it's not going to last long. So I made like a video using the earpiece as an audio, and oh my god, it sounded terrible.
There've been several rumors that Meta are about to
Is that my voice? It sounded terrible for real. Let's listen to it again.
make glasses that are super.
Jesus Christ, that is me using this earpiece as an audio. So I realized that it was actually different too. It was different from like other videos I made without using this earpiece, which I still had bad audio. But when I use this earpiece, I realized that the audio changed, but it didn't change for the better good. It came terrible. Like for a couple of days and months, no days, yeah, weeks, I haven't posted like on YouTube. Though I'll be posting on TikTok. I left YouTube for TikTok. So you should follow my TikTok page. I'm going to leave the link too. So like I'll be doing like short videos and yeah on TikTok. And yeah, so I haven't been using this earpiece because I realized that it has a very bad audio. I don't know, is it that I should just continue using it, because I really want to make my audio better, and I don't have money for microphone. This is the only option I have, but it's bringing terrible audio. So the thing is that I'm just going to like continue making videos like this until God touch me. You safe, you that are watching this video, safe. God, you might be God sent. You can just deliver. Well, anyway, sure. So yeah, so I'm going to like make a TikTok video using this earpiece, and I'm going to like see the audio, whether like something better might have happened to it. So yeah, this earpiece, I'm just going to use this for music, and also for music it has a good sound quality for me, because I would say like most of my life I've been using fake things. I don't know, probably I go for the cheaper ones, and yes, I'm still a student, I'm not working. Like my other headset I made a video talking about here, I used it for like a month and then it got broken. How? I don't even know. I'm also going to leave that video. See, watch all these videos if you like it. So yeah, this earpiece is still going to stay. I might use it for another video, but I'm not going to use it for a long form video like this. You know what? Wait. Let me make a video using this earpiece. Let me calm down. Alright, so this is me making the video using this earpiece. yeah, so like right now I can't listen to myself until I'm done watching the video. So you that you can hear me now, just go to the comment section and tell me how it sounds. And so guys, yeah, that's all for this video. See you in the next one, and don't forget to subscribe. Normally I'm meant to be moving my hand, but I'm using one hand to hold my phone and the other, like as you can see already. So yeah, thanks. Oh Jesus Christ, I pray the audio is not bad.